Hey everyone, it's Money with Luz. It's summer here and I'm wearing a Luz silk top wefted wig. It has got a beautiful hairline, so let's do updo. First, I'm going to take some clear elastic bands and some clips and a comb. You can use any type of comb. We are just going to use it to separate out our bangs and sideburn pieces and little wispy ear tab pieces before we get started. And I like to use an elastic band to keep all of my bangs and wispy pieces kind of out of the way so they don't get tangled up in the updo. Then you can remove your clips and start to divide the hair. We are going to do a twist halo all around the head, similar to a halo braid. I take pieces, I alternate them in between my hands, and then I put the lower piece mixed in with more hair, and then I pull it upwards and over top to twist to mix in with more hair. So I'm just adding more hair to the bottom twist, and I alternate my hands every time. So I'm just making a crisscross motion across the whole entire head. It's really similar to a French braid, wherein you're picking up more hair every time from the bottom twist. When I get to the back of my head, I try to leave a little bit of hair out in the back. You're gonna have to use your finger to feel around. You don't wanna be lifting up all the way to the bottom of the cap, because then you can't blend the nape area and make it look like it's growing from your scalp. So again, I'm just picking up more hair as I go along. It's kind of hard to see with my hands here, but I'll show you again from the other side what this looks like doing it from the back. But I'm just lifting up hair from the bottom each time. Then I go ahead and take a hair clip once I get to the middle of my nape and just secure it in place. I like to make sure that it doesn't come completely untwisted by just continuing to twist it around each other, the two sections of hair, without lifting up, just so I'm kind of getting it away from the wig cap and I can clip it kind of out of the way without my whole thing coming unraveled. Next, I do the other side. You could ignore any wispy bits that are left over from the first clipping back. I go ahead and I do my hands, two sections, twisting from bottom upwards, and every time I move my bottom hand, I grab more hair and add it to the top section, and then I crisscross. So this twist is a really nice alternative to those who don't know how to braid or just want something a little bit different. You can see as I get to the back of my nape, I'm just leaving a little bit of hair out, a very fine amount of area, so that I can blend it later, or if I have curly hair naturally, you can curl those end bits to make it look like the heat from the nape of your neck has started to make your hair frizz. So then I twist again, add an elastic band to this one, because I'm now going to bring the braid or twist back around my head and underneath or over top of the halo braid, and bobby pin it in while I'm tucking it into the twist. So you can just use your fingers to kind of really gently tuck it into the twist that you've done. It's okay if some pieces stick out. You're gonna poof and mess around with your twist, kind of make them a little more tousled and loose. So any hair that is left outside, you can twist up, twirl up, and just stick it, tuck it back into the twist, secure it with some bobby pins, take your elastics out, and you're ready to go. I like to kind of gently pull on the twist, loosen it up a bit, make it more bohemian. That's what it looks like. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's super easy, super fun, and great for summer.